Hi there, Emmanuel here, and welcome to day 4. And today we're going to be talking about how to trade Forex even if you have a full-time job. Yes, so we're going to just jump right into it today. Yeah, so think about it. So most people think when they come onto trading, they think they have to be sat on charts all day. This is one of the reasons some people don't trade, because they think, I haven't got time to do this. I haven't got time to sit on front of charts all day long watching every tiny little pip, tiny little movement. But it's not the case. That there is a type of trading like that. It's kind of scalping and day trading, where people are trading on what we call lower time frames. They're trading on 5-minute, 1-minute charts. They're looking for small little movements of pips. They're getting in and they're getting out quite quickly, hopefully making a profit, and they're jumping in and out. But that's not the only type of trading. Yeah, there's scalping. Yeah, there's day trading. But there's also what we call swing trading, which you can be in and out of a trade within a day to 2 weeks. And then there's long-term trading, where you're now looking at charts like daily charts or even weekly charts. Yeah, so in those types of things, you don't need to be sat on a chart then. You'll come on, you'll put your trade on, and then, you could even leave it at the end of the day. You can come back to it. You check if it's moving in your direction, if you want to move your stop loss, and then that's it. Then that's okay till the next day. So you don't have to be sat on the charts. You come in, kiss and hug the family, then later on after you've eaten, you can then go and have a look at your charts and see, is it moving in my direction? Do I need to do anything like moving my stop loss and stuff like that? So I want to show you some examples, especially a couple that you could have taken on the EJ. So I'm gonna show you here. Let's move over to the charts. So here's a chart here. This is a daily chart. You can see here by where it says here daily up there. This is a daily chart with a daily trend line that was drawn on there. And we teach you how to do all this sort of stuff, yeah, if you're interested. This is what we call a daily trend line. You see that the price is bouncing off this daily trend line. Each one of these candles represents a day. Yeah, these ain't quick trade. Each one of these candles takes a day to form. So I'm looking at this now, and remember we spoke about in the other video, I think it was video 2, we spoke about when you do take trades of things like trend lines, you don't just trade off one thing. There's a combination of things. We call it different confluences, at least 3. So I'm not going to go into all the confluences, but here would have been a trade right there. So let me put on what we call the risk to reward thing here. Like I was saying to you, we always go for a 1 to 3. So there would have been a trade. Beautiful bounce off the trend line, and as well as that, it's bouncing off a moving average. This one is here is called the 200 moving average. Again, don't worry if all of this is not making sense. All of this is explained to you if you want to come and trade with us. So the entry would have been somewhere there. Stop loss would have just been underneath there. Going for a 1 to 3. Let me just put these on so I can see clearly. Going for a 1 to 3. So yeah, so you would have got out somewhere there-ish, roughly about there. Yep. So let's imagine we'd have got in here. That's the 28th of March, 2023. You would have got out here, which is the 3rd of May, 2023. So what's that? March, April, just over a month and a couple of weeks. Let's say 6 weeks. You would have got in there 6 weeks before you would have taken your profit. And you wouldn't have had to do anything. Maybe you move your stop loss, maybe cover. So once it's moving, you lock in some of your profits. There you would have TP'd 1 to 3, not sitting on the charts every day. Each one of these, like I said, is a day. So at the end of the day, you can come and have a look and think, oh, lovely, it's going in my direction. Pulled back a little bit here. Oh, I'll move my stop loss to there, and it's moving in my direction. And then you take your TP, you take profit. Let's have a look at another example then. On the same chart, would have come back, bounced off again, beautiful trend line bounce here, and that here would have been a beautiful trade. You got your trend line, you got your entry there, again off a 200 moving average. There's other confluences, but I'm just showing you 2. Entry would have been there. Stop loss would have been just underneath this trend line. Again, going for a 1 to 3. You can see 1 to 3 would have been somewhere there. You can see there, yeah, that's the 3 there. So entry there on 3rd of January. Exit would have been just here. That's the 19th of March. January, February, March. So just over 8-9 weeks this time now to get again a 1 to 3. Again, not sat on the charts, just come in and check in at the end of the day to see how your trades are doing. You know, so we do trade on the daily chart. Again, I'm going to show you Marc actually showing us the strategy. It's actually called the M2 strategy that he teaches. There's loads of different strategies, but you can have a look yourself. Look right here. It's a daily chart that he's teaching. And Marc himself, the leader of this, actually trades on daily and weekly charts. You know, so you have the time freedom to do what he wants. I mean, he's made tons of money on trading. He has time freedom. He doesn't have to sit on charts. You know, if you're trading like this, you just come and have a look at the day. And if you're trading on the weekly, you just have to check once a week. You know, and he's trading daily and weekly charts. You know, so you can see then you can still do that with a full-time job. You do your normal 9 to 5 or whatever, and then in the evening you come and have a look and see how your trades are doing, and do any adjustments that we teach you if you need to. Just, it's a beautiful way to trade. You have a lot of time freedom. You have a choice now. Some people don't like that because you know, they like the buzz of being on a chart, scalping and seeing little movements. That's fine. You know, but it's very difficult to do that with a day job, with a normal 9 to 5 day job, you know. So if you want to do that, also we teach you how to day trade as well, if that's for you. But a lot of people want to keep their full-time job till they feel more confident in their trading, and then potentially then they might think, okay, maybe I'll substitute my full-time job and do this as a full-time living, be a full-time trader. But then you have the choice. You can do both. You can do both. You can have your day job, and you can trade as well. Me personally, I like to be on charts. I really enjoy being on charts. I love watching charts. I love the little movements. I really do enjoy it. But I also have the choice as well. There are sometimes I've got a trade running and I think, you know what, I've got other things to do. I'll go and do it. And that's the beauty of trading. You have that choice. So either you want to be a scalper or day trader, either you want to be a swing trader, 1 to 2 weeks, or a long-term trader, which we teach you that as well as all the other stuff as well. All right, so listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from that. I hope you can see that you have choice in trading. Once you know what you're doing, once you understand and you learn the strategy, you learn the mindset, like I was saying, you then can decide what type of trader do I want to be? Do I want to keep my day job if I enjoy it? You know, so again, hope you got some value from today. Tomorrow, we are going to be looking at how you can stop losing money and pick the right traders that will put you on the right side in this trading game. Yeah, so we're going to go through all of that tomorrow. I'm going to show you ways that you can stop losing money. I'll show you the maths. I'll show you the things that are important when you are trading, you know, and how you can stop losing money on the charts. Yeah, so that's going to be great. So I hope I can see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Again, any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you are interested in learning the #1 strategy that I recommend, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. Just click on that and you'll get immediate access to the thing that I recommend. Thanks again for listening. Till tomorrow, you have a great evening, and I'll speak to you then. Have a great night. Take care. See you soon.